What's up guys, quick video today. I want to show you a really cool tool that's built into HardOps that I just recently found out about. It's been here for a while apparently, but I didn't know about it, so maybe you haven't seen it either. Basically what you can do is you can go into material mode here. We'll just add a new material. I'll make it metallic, make it a bit darker, make it a bit shinier. Cool. So generally when you're working on a model, you like to add things like surface imperfections, grunge, scratches, things like that. Usually I was adding these in Photoshop after the fact or connecting up nodes manually. Pretty tedious process, but there's a way to do it automatically, so check this out. If you press Alt-M on your keyboard, there's an option here for map scroll. Now yours will probably be grayed out by default, and if it is, I'll address it in a second, but I just want to show you what it does. So if we go to map scroll, check this out. If I start scrolling, you're going to see we get these really cool surface imperfections. We get scratches, we get grunge, we get dirt, things like that. You can see just the more I scroll through, the more of the different surface imperfections we have. Let me zoom in a bit more. Perhaps you'll see it better this way. So we're just going to keep running through the map scroll, and you're just going to see I have a ton of different surface imperfections on here that I can use to just get this nice, effect on the surface. So super useful stuff. Now let me show you how you can actually enable this if your map scroll is grayed out. First thing you need is a collection of black and white textures. So you can get these on the internet. You can get these from, I know Polygon.com has them, Andrew Price's website. Smudger Pro is where I'm personally using mine from. It's a Blender add-on, but basically what you need is a folder that has a collection of these black and white texture maps. So stuff like this, smudges, dirt, scratches, all this type of stuff. You basically need a folder of, and obviously you can get these just about anywhere. So just make a folder, load these in, and what we need to do is navigate to that folder in the HardOps menu. So we need to go to Edit, Preferences, and under the HardOps drop-down menu, go down here to the Properties, and scroll all the way down to the bottom and look for Maps folder. What we can do is load in the folder that contains all of our black and white texture maps, and load those in. So we'll just click on this. You're going to navigate to that folder. So in this case, it would just be my this folder right here. We click accept, and now what you can do is come in here. You should be able to use map scroll, and you can press Alt-M and scroll through all the different surface imperfections with ease. So pretty quick video. I'll link a few resources in the description where you can get these different types of texture maps. The one I'm using, like I said, is from Smudger Pro. It's a Blender add-on. It comes with a bunch of different black and white texture maps, and I'll link that in the description. But like I said, you can get these texture maps on pretty much any texturing website. So that's about it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.